In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in a Microsoft Word document. Copying tables is a simple yet essential skill that can save you time and make editing or reorganizing information much easier. Whether you're working on reports, assignments, or professional documents, knowing how to move or duplicate tables efficiently helps keep your workflow smooth and organized. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the table you want to copy. It can be any table with text, numbers, or other content that you've already created. Once you've found the table, move your cursor to the top left corner of the table until you see a small square handle appear. This handle allows you to select the entire table at once. Click on the table handle, and you'll notice the entire table becomes highlighted. This indicates that it's ready to be copied. Now, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the table, or you can right-click on the highlighted table and select Copy from the context menu. Both methods achieve the same result, so you can use whichever is more comfortable for you. Next, navigate to the location in your document where you want the table to appear. This could be on the same page, a different page, or even in a completely separate document. Place your cursor at the exact spot where you want the copied table to be inserted. Once positioned, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the table, or right-click and select Paste from the menu. Word will insert an exact copy of your original table, including all formatting, cell sizes, and content. If you need the table in a different document, simply open that document, place your cursor where you want the table, and use the same paste command. Word preserves the formatting, so your table will look just like the original. This method is ideal when consolidating information from multiple documents or creating templates. A helpful tip is that after pasting, you can adjust the table formatting or resize it without affecting the original. This allows you to customize the copy table for your new location while keeping the source intact. By mastering this technique, you can efficiently duplicate tables, reorganize your documents, and streamline your editing process. Copying tables in Word is quick, precise, and extremely useful for anyone working with structured data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.